In this video, I'll show you how to auto-generate subtitles for your videos for free using FileTranscribe. This is an updated video. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, I've got this video right here, and as I mentioned, for this video, we're going to be using FileTranscribe. It allows you to transcribe and subtitle your videos. Now, I'm going to be using what I'd call the guest mode, and the guest mode kind of allows you at least 3 free file transcriptions per day, more or less, of up to 30 minutes per file. If you decide to get the free account, you get 7 free transcriptions per day, up to 45 minutes per file, which is really awesome. Now, as I mentioned, I'll use this particular file, and what I want is for us to auto-generate subtitles. I'll just click on it and drag and drop it right there, and it's going to take a note that this is from device, that is the new dialog box, and from here I can click on upload. It's uploading. You can also do it from you can also record from a link, YouTube, Google Drive, Dropbox, but as you can see, these are more or less the pro versions of this particular feature right here. So it's done uploading, and the next is to choose how to transcribe. Now for this one, I'm going to actually choose the language as English US, and this obviously improves the accuracy and all that. And I'm also going to remove speaker labels, smart formatting, just leave punctuation. I'm also going to remove AI summary. You can also get sentiment analysis for if you're on the pro version, and also topic detection, which is really important. As for the model, I'm going to go with Echo 3, but we also have Echo 2, clear to speaker calls and podcast. Echo 1, fast drafts when speaker labels are off, and Echo 3 is for best for interviews and multi-speaker. Actually, let's go with Echo 2 because I'm only one speaker right there, and then click on create transcript. It's opening the transcript. As you can see, I was 1 of 3 guests initially. Now it's 2 of 3, and it's already done. A 2-minute 15-second file is already done transcribing, and we can actually have a listen. In this video, I'll show you how to extract certain pages from a PDF using Adobe Acrobat. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, I do have a PDF with me here, and let's assume I want to extract, let's say it's doing a really good job right there. I kind of like this because even word for word, it's doing what it needs to do. So super awesome, but you can always listen through right there, and if you are kind of done with a section, you can click on that, mark as reviewed, and you're going to see a percentage change here so that you actually don't keep coming back to that. I'm going to check on that. If you actually had a speaker, you can change this and rename speaker, like speaker labels and all that, whatever you want, just look into it. But for this video, because we're generating subtitles, we're actually going to export this right now, and I'm assuming you've already made your changes. I'm going to click on export. Let's do this, and then click on subtitles.srt, that is subtitles. It's going to download, and I'm going to open it up in just a note editing application of choice. Now, I'd like to mention that here's where we have a slight issue. The way FileTranscribe works at the moment is that whatever block is right here, that is how it generates the subtitle. For example, the first one should be ending somewhere here. Let's see, to the end, and I want, as you can see, and let's assume I want. So take a note that for you to generate better subtitles, it's going to need you to kinda maybe make a click there on a new sentence, or just press in. And one thing you'll take a note of is that in the first section, whatever you do, it remains. Click on backspace to remove, and then continue right there. You continue with the rest like this. Press on enter, and as you'll take a notice, we have these remains, so you have to keep doing that. Sorry for that. Just left click and left click and drag. Control Z, undo right here. So we want that like that. So let's actually just try this section. Let's export SRT again, click on it, open, and as you can see, we are now starting to finesse the subtitles the way we want them. So my suggestion to the creator of FileTranscribe is that during the export, can we have like some extra settings for subtitles so that you can decide it's either X number of characters per line, the number of lines we would like for the subtitles. That will make it really awesome. But in this particular case, you have to keep making edits like this right here. Shift enter is for a new line, but still on the same block. Press on enter, it takes it to takes everything to a new block, but still leaves everything back where it was. So something that they can kind of work on right there. But if all you wanted to do was just get a rough draft of subtitles, that is how you can easily auto-generate subtitles for your videos for free using FileTranscribe. I hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching.